This is a 2008 Dyna Super Glide. Everything seems to work on the bike. It's really tidy. I have rode it. Noticed little scuff on the tank. That might clean up actually. Not sure what that is. 46,000 miles on the clock. Sounds awesome. That's a nice, straightforward, no frills bike, that is. That's going on eBay. Check it out, see if it's still there.